Tracing the roots to the advent of civilization, the Tamil language is recognized as one of the oldest surviving classical languages of the world. The testament to the greatness of the ancient Tamil urban settlements is evident through the archaeological discoveries displayed at the Keeladi Museum. The Keeladi Museum showcases the unearthed artifacts from archaeological excavations, providing tourists with insights into its history. The galleries in the museum provide thematic journeys through the discoveries. The museum ceilings feature red rooftops authentic to the region, and the floors are adorned with traditional Athangudi tiles. The museum presents a distinctive look featuring a pond, styled patios and courtyards constructed in an authentic Chettinad architectural style. The history and culture of Tamil Nadu, the excavation process and the significance of Keeladi are detailed in the 15-minute documentary screened in an air-conditioned amphitheater. Attractions include a touchscreen interface to explore the settlements along the Vaigai River, immersive experiences of Keeladi excavation sites recreated with virtual reality, and interactive displays of discovered artifacts in three-dimensional space. Playable versions of traditional Tamil games are recreated for visitors on touchscreens. Traditional millet-based cuisine from the Sivagangai region is available at the museum complex. In all its glory, the Keeladi Museum is a milestone in the history of Tamil Nadu, attracting tourists from around the globe with its rare, unique collection of artifacts. The Keeladi Museum is a definitive part of the state's iconic Tamil Nadu tourism experience. Keeladi Museum welcomes everyone to discover the rich history of Tamil Nadu.